Yeah, this one, like,
Belvedere.
Belvedere.
I like how they used to, the Fury's a 4-door, Belvedere's a 2-door.
Okay.
like, I got a clock. The guy
Crunch words,
Funny.
decapitate.
That's so funny. Is this lowered?
No, I don't think
No, okay.
BC coilovers probably.
Yeah.
Decapitated.
Yep. Yeah, no, all the old ones used to call it tap top.
Like, I love having spare parts around, and I need to fix his heads, and I need to put rods to have. I bent the shoot rods at the other end. I got caught on something wrong.
Dude, it's still in the 6-volt system, not 12-volt.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's got a generator, not an alternator.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Yeah, it's a generator, not an alternator. It's original, like that's sick as shit.
I had good luck with the poly substitution. With the intake of that blue poly solid.
So common swap with 12-volt system.
If they stop the freaking carbon on the barrel, it'll seal itself up.
Brakes?
The other side.
Brake was back. No brake usage, so no power brakes. Anyway. Oh, fun and spicy.
Yeah.
The shape doesn't matter.
What's the tag about?
It's just the driveline
Factory OEM tags, like the part numbers that they used to wear on, like the 58.
Yeah. I love the white wall.
Oh, I love white walls.
Is that the place you got the fries?
Yeah,
Stevie's there. Yeah.
One day you're gonna have like this.
I still have the rest the suitcase muffler.
Yeah. I mean, exhaust is one thing that everyone's open to, but like,
You smell that? Smells. Yeah, that's a good smell right
smells
there.
like sex.
Jesus Christ.
I love the horns in them too, eh? You just grab that bottom bar.
Yeah.
Just grab that and twist it.
That's fucking cool.
I love the horns in there. God, I love a Belvedere.
Yeah. You need it. Straight color too. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got tractors. Yeah.
Well, that's fair.
Pretty biased.
Well, should we go that way?
There's fries over there. I don't know
where the fries are. Yeah, we're
It's right
supposed to
there.
buy fries.
It's right there.
Oh, okay. We'll just
Yeah, my
that way, we'll do that.
Okay.
135 minutes. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's the yellow Challenger with a rod knock.
True. Might as well take a look.